A peaceful Zen monastery with a garden. The master sits under a cherry blossom tree, sipping tea. The monk approaches. The monk bows and kneels before the master. Monk, Master, I seek wisdom. I have heard of a great question. What is the sound of one hand clapping? Zen master smiles. That is indeed a profound question. Monk, please tell me the answer. Zen master closes his eyes and remains silent. The wind rustles the leaves. The monk waits, confused. Monk, Master, did you hear my question? Zen master nods but says nothing. The monk leaves, pondering deeply. He tries different things, waving one hand, snapping fingers, slapping his palm against the air, but finds no answer. Days pass. The monk meditates, listens to nature, and contemplates the silence. One morning, he suddenly smiles, as if understanding something. The monk returns to the master, bows, and sits before him. Monk, Master, I have no words to describe my answer, but I understand now. Zen master smiles. Good. Then you have truly heard the sound of one hand. Themes. Wisdom cannot always be explained. It must be experienced. Some truths go beyond words.